Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Yamaha Zuma 50 motor scooter. This thing is a cool on-off-road motor scooter, 50cc two-stroke, so it's powerful, goes about 35 miles per hour. Automatic transmission, electric start. Only 3,195 miles on this awesome Zuma 50. Come by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. On this cool 2009 Zuma 50, 1999. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. That guy weighs 218. Thing takes off beautifully. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.